Welcome to Kids Joy. Today, we're going to learn about birds. So, sit up nice and straight and let's get ready to learn. What animal is this? Parrot. 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 What animal is this? Pigeon. 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 What animal is this? Sparrow. 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 What animal is this? Owl. 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 What animal is this? Peacock. 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 What animal is this? Crow. 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 What animal is this? Flamingo. 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 What animal is this? Seagull. 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 What animal is this? Woodpecker. 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 What animal is this? Hummingbird. 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 Good job! That's the end of today's lesson. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support Kids Joy. Thanks for watching.